Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to find Gmail backup code. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in of course Gmail, and you'll get to of course your Gmail, sorry. Then let's see how you can actually go and find Gmail backup code. So go to your Google account, go to security in the top left menu, so here, top right corner, sorry, and then click on of course settings to of course go and when you're here find your security. So this is on of course your email, but you need to go and do it on your Google account. So when you click on here, and you can then go to your Google account. Then under of course sign in Google, select two-step verification, scroll down then to backup codes and click continue. Then click on get backup codes if you haven't generated them yet. Download or print your backup codes. So refresh to create a new set, which will deactivate the old ones. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.